Hey, welcome back. This is Ben. Like any other things such as candy or coffee, you need to have that craving first in order to have that addiction. Well, how do you get that craving? You start by giving them some samples to try. Once they get that high from it, they'll come right back for more. This can work the same with guys. What you need to do is to tap into their emotions to get them to feel the love, and you'll get them emotionally addicted to you. But of course, this is all assuming you're in a relationship already. Anyway, here's 10 things you can do to make him addicted to you. Number 1. Get him to miss you. If you're always there with him, he will definitely get used to you and he'll start getting lazy, and sometimes the romantic stuff just dies off. If you don't care about the romantic stuff, then that's fine. But for those who do care, give him some space. Let him have his me time. Also, take control of the speed of the relationship. Don't be the person who wants him every day. Space it out. Perhaps do something fun or extravagant once a week. It's quality over quantity that you should seek. Each time you plan something together in advance, it makes him think of you and he'll be coming back to you for more. Number 2. Bond with him. If you guys share the same interests with each other, it'll make it easier to bond with him. But sometimes it's not always the case. He might like to do something that you may or may not be interested in, and it's okay. You don't need to constantly do it to please him, just be genuine about it. For example, if he likes to watch his favorite basketball team play, perhaps stay with him and watch a few quarters with him. Or if there's a music festival coming up and his favorite artist is performing, buy 2 tickets and go enjoy the day with him. If you can show that you are interested in what he likes to do, you'll get him addicted to you and fall for you. Number 3. Don't try to change him. Have you ever thought about this? Whenever someone tells you to do something or wants you to change it, you feel attacked or you get a little hurt. Well, that goes the same for him too. If you're forcing him to change, he'll just push you away. He has to truly want it in order for him to change. So when starting a relationship with him, you should have an idea of what you are getting into before you start crafting this perfect image of him in the future, because I can guarantee you that the future him won't be the present him. Number 4. Be well-rounded. You don't have to be super smart or know everything. You just need to experience new things or try to learn new things to keep your brain active and not binge watch shows or movies all the time. A guy will like it if you have interesting experiences to share and talk about and not just meaningless conversations. If you can have intellectual conversations with him, that's a bonus, and he'll keep coming back to you for more when he sees that you're a great person to talk to. Number 5. Be happy and laugh. Guys do want someone who can smile and laugh. Sometimes they can get caught up with family, school, work, and friends. When they are around you, they want to be able to relax and have fun. You could be his go-to if you can make him feel at ease and comfortable. In addition, you'll be able to draw him closer to you, and sooner or later, you'll get him hooked on that joy of yours. Number 6. Respect him. His opinions and values matter, and if you don't want the relationship to fall apart, you shouldn't cross his boundaries. Don't try to blackmail him or force him to do something that he doesn't want. If you're able to understand him and acknowledge him, he'll want to be with you. In return, he'll respect you as well. Number 7. Get him to be comfortable around you. A good way to get him addicted to you is by opening up to him slowly and have him open up to you as well. Create an environment where the two of you can comfortably talk and share secrets with each other. Doing so will create a sense of trust and he'll lower his walls. Whenever he feels lonely or needs to talk, he'll come to you because you make him feel wanted. Number 8. Keep things interesting. If the relationship starts to plateau and get boring or redundant, there's a chance that the relationship is slowly fading away. But of course, it takes 2 to make a relationship work, and both parties have to want to be together. To keep things interesting, use the element of surprise or try new things together. You don't have to always try to go on fancy trips or buy expensive stuff. It can be as simple as trying new restaurants, taking a weekend trip to different beaches, or surprising him with breakfast or lunch. This will create new and everlasting memories together and make him want you even more. And of course, don't do it every day. Number 9. Support him. When he has a vision or a plan, support him. Stand behind him when he doesn't feel confident. Lift him up when he's feeling low. If you could do that, you'll easily win his heart. When no one else is there rooting for him, he'll know that you'll be there to root for him. He might not be perfect, but you see him differently and that he's worth something. So believe in him, support him, and accept him. When he knows that, he'll always come to you because you have always been there for him. Number 10, have your own life. Have goals for yourself and be passionate about something. If you have things going on for you and it seems like you have your life together, you'll get him more addicted to you. So don't be afraid to be independent, hang out with friends, and do the hobbies or the things you like to do. Don't wait for him to make the next move, and don't be desperate. You have things to do and places to go. Knowing you like that will only make him want you even more. Overall, tapping into their emotions is important because at the end of the day, people want to be loved, accepted, and grow as a person. And if you can offer those things to a guy other than just your looks, you know for sure he'll come running back to you over and over again. For some of us, this might sound one-sided, but it doesn't have to be. As long as you know he loves you and you love him, then that's all that matters. At the end of the day, it's the intimate connection that you guys have that makes you want to be together. Hey, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll get right back to you. And as always, thanks for watching.